In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a logo or make a letterhead header in Google Docs. You can create two types of documents here. One is like this, where you add your logo and details in the header, and the rest of the page stays normal. The other type is where you can use edge-to-edge printing if your printer allows it. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a blank document from here. The document is made up of three main parts: the header, your main content area, and the footer. We'll begin by adding a logo to the header to create the letterhead layout. Double-click on the upper margin of the page. This will open the header section for you. Now go to Insert, then Table, and choose one row and two columns. In simple words, select two boxes on the top line. In the right side box, add your address and other details. Align the text to the right so it looks neat. Now let's place the logo in the left cell. Go to Insert, select Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Select your logo file from your computer. Resize the image according to your needs. Now we'll remove the border so it looks clean.
In the top menu bar, click on Table Options.
Unfortunately, Google Docs doesn't have a direct Remove Borders option like Microsoft Word. So expand the Color menu and click on the Border Color option. Select the border color as white. This effectively hides the borders when printed on white paper. Now scroll down and double-click on the footer area. Here we'll add something simple like a website address. Align the address to the center. And our work is done for this one. You can see that our page with the letterhead logo is now created. Now, if you want to create another version for borderless printing, let's make a new document. This version will fill the full page. Go to Insert, select Image, and then Upload from Computer. Choose your image or logo variation. I'm going with the similar version as before, but with a few doodles added so you can see the image clearly. Once it loads, it'll cover most of the page, but we want it to go truly corner to corner. On the menu bar, click on Image Options and expand the Text Wrapping tab. Choose Behind Text from here. This lets you type over the image. Scroll down and expand the Position tab. Now select Fixed Position on Page and set both X and Y to 0. This will bring the image to the exact top left corner. Now resize the image according to your needs. You might notice that the cursor appears inside the logo. To fix this, go to Format, then Headers and Footers. In the pop-up, increase the header value to 1 and click Apply. You can see that when you start typing, it now aligns nicely beneath your header graphic with good white space. Once you're happy, you can download this page as a PDF document or print it. By following these steps, you can easily make a letterhead header in Google Docs.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.